Yo guys, this is my tutorial on how to get Sony Vegas 9. As you see, I've already uninstalled it. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall it. What you want to do is go to Sony Downloads, the trials, the links will be in the description. Alright, you want to download this. You want to go ahead and download this. And save it. You want to save it to your desktop. You have to save it or else it won't work. Alright, just follow my instructions completely and you'll have Sony Vegas in no time. Alright, now the next link to get this, it says the page can't be found, but if you click on it fast enough, it opens it up. And you want to save this to your desktop. Also, you need to have WinRAR. I'm pretty sure most of y'all have that. Alright, but once you have this, the Sony one, the second one, downloaded, go ahead and open it up. Hold on. And you'll see the Keygen. You want to go ahead and just extract that, and then we'll pull up this Keygen with the annoying music, but it's actually kind of cool, but it's kind of annoying to me. Yeah, and then you just want to hold on for right now. Just want to hold on to that for right now, and you can go ahead and just get rid of this, throw it in the trash can. Alright, because I already have the Keygen right here and right here. Alright. But this will take a while to download this. Alright, so you gotta be patient. Right? Yeah. This is not the download for Sony Vegas 9 Pro or Pro 9, you want to call it. It's just the download for the Keygen. Yeah. Count your fucking blessings. Also, I'll be making a tutorial how to get Camtasia Studio 6. Links will be in there too. It's the easiest way to get Camtasia Studios. You will laugh at how easy it is. Come on, hurry up, you slow ass computer. Pray for a play. Yay. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, you probably would want to fast forward. Oh yeah, it's already on your desktop. Alright, once it's in your desktop, from here on you pretty much want to go right click, and run as administrator. That's pretty much what you want to do from here on. Alright, then you want to run it, and it's gonna download. Alright. If it's gonna download the trial. You wanna install the shortcut to your desktop too. Alright. Click OK. Prepare to alt install. I'm probably gonna cut this clip where it's gonna download because it's way too long. Install shortcut into desktop. Yay! Alright guys. Do not open this at all. Do not open this. You do not open this. Alright? I'm pretty sure you guys heard that because I said it like 15 times. But do not open this. Alright. Keygen. You want to right click. Run as administrator for Vista users. If you're not a Vista, then I don't know how to help you. Alright, you want to go down to the Sony Vegas 9.0, 32, and 64-bit series. You want to generate a couple of times, you know, just to make sure it's a good code. Mute the sound right here. You want to patch it, and then go up to Program Files. It'll be in your Program Files when you saved it. And go down to Sony. And then it says Sony Vegas 9. Alright, you click on it once. And you press OK. And you see this will come up and it will start patching. Patch. Alright, it patched. Do not close this, cause you'll have to patch it again probably and get a whole new code probably. Alright, now you open it up, run as administrator, just to be safe. Alright, allow. Next. Alright, now ask for to insert the serial code. You're gonna just, copy and then paste. Next. Register from another computer. That's the best way to do it. Next. Use fake information like this. I'm using this fake information. Fake information. Copy this if you want to. Well, not the city though. Put a different city. Else people will get kind of suspicious. Right. Then you click next. Yeah, go ahead and save it. Since already over. Yeah, overwrite. Next. Alright, now it asks for the activation code. This is where this code comes in. Go ahead and copy and paste. Finish. And then look at that. Look at that. You have Sony Vegas, the full version. Because it is licensed to Dan Williams. Look at that. Aren't you guys happy now? Ah. Look at that. You have the whole Sony Vegas version now. Yippee. Yippee, yippee, yippee. Goes through the whole thing. Alright, because it says once you exit, look at that. It doesn't show any of that BS with freaking you want to buy this now kind of stuff. Yeah. Am I right? Yes, I am right. Alright. There you guys go. That is my tutorial on how to get Sony Vegas 9. Links will be in description. Peace, guys.